Hello friends. Welcome back to TESTOFF channel. The correct answer will be shown 10 seconds after the question. You can pause the video if this time is not enough for you. Don't forget to share your results in the comments below the video. Subscribe to TESTOFF channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. He was working at 7 o'clock yesterday evening. Look, he has cleaned his car, now it's shining. The lesson began at 7 o'clock. I'm thirsty, I will buy something to drink. How was the party last night? Oh, it was great. Sandra is my sister. She is very beautiful. I can find somebody who can answer your question. I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. Mike is shorter than Tom. Mike and Sandra are my best friends.